Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to take a look at Palantir. This is on the daily chart. If you want to start with the weekly chart, you can see this thing has been an absolute monster. Now, all these lines here are moving averages, and you can see the periods here. Now, this is a weekly chart, so they don't they may not make sense like 150. Well, I don't really care what 150 weeks is. So these are all just drawn according to the daily chart. I just kind of stretch that out so you can see basically the overall trend and character of the stock. It's really been on a tear, and frankly, from when it hit its I'll just call it hype high until it finally broke out again. This took over 3 years in order to do. Now, a lot of trades going on here, obviously, but I'm just looking at this here from about $100 on. You can see this ribbon or matrix, as I call it. Now, if we go back to the daily chart, though, you can see now all of these line up. So the red one's the 50, the whatever color this is, orange, whatever, is 200. So those are kind of the two biggies. And then the 100-day moving average is this blue one. But I'm just looking at all of them. And this is why, because when I see a stock that does this kind of thing, or anything that looks kind of extended, I want to get a look at all the major moving averages to see, like, well, just how high up is this? How far up is this stock really extended? And what I want to know is, let me get rid of a lot of this stuff. Like if this is where all the moving averages are clustered, well, how high up is this? And it's pretty damn high, if you ask me. So the company reported earnings. It wiggled around a little bit. And then generally speaking, started dropping, and it still is. So why am I doing this? I'm doing this because, for one thing, it's fallen back to the 20-day moving average, which it hadn't really done that in a while. And so my suspicion is you're gonna see some support right around this 21-day moving average, right around there. If it falls below there, and I sure would be nice if it did, it could fall all the way back down below $100. Now, if it does, you've got all of these moving averages here that are going to act as support for the stock. So what I think is an important thing to do is keep your frame of reference here. Keep that intact and know that this is where all the different support levels are here. If the stock pulls back, I was just joking to our members in my training session this morning. I said I would definitely be liquidating some, maybe all, but really just some of your Palantir shares. And then if it falls, buy it. I still feel that way. This is a great company, and it's definitely going higher, just not tomorrow. So what I want you to do is just be tracking this stock. You always want to wait for a few days after a company reports earnings and then the stock falls like this. You got to kind of let the selling settle out. And if you look at how far this thing has run, just from the bottom there, it's basically doubled. There's some definite profit taking on the boards here, and it's going to continue. So in my mind, you want to be out of this now, but look to get back in when it falls closer to the support of this moving average matrix. That's all I got for you. I'll see you all next time.